Hi, I'm Luisa, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make mini pumpkins out of air dry clay. First, we want to make sure that we condition the clay so it doesn't crack. I'm going to grab some clay for each pumpkin, and at first I'm going to shape it in a sphere. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. Right now I'm just tracing the lines, but you'll see that I realized later on that they didn't look as good as they could have. So I'm going to revisit this step once again. So now, in order to make it look more realistic, I'm just pushing the same tool down the previously made lines. This is going to give it a more defined look. And now I'm just going to repeat the same process for the other two pumpkins. I did them different sizes and different shapes as well, but of course you can do them identical or even more different than I did. Make sure that you let your pumpkins dry out completely before painting them. It usually takes at least a few days. And this is how my pumpkins are looking once they were completely dried. And now let's start painting them. I wanted the perfect shade of orange, so I ended up mixing my own color in the end. I'm using acrylic paints because from previous projects I learned that they work really well with air dry clay. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. And happy Halloween! Bye!